Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Can you please tell me about your past experiences as a waiter?
My last experience as a waiter was on October 2003 to April 2004 in Fisherman's Grill in Philippines.
Okay, and what are your duties and responsibility?
My position there is a waiter, which is taking an order and serving customer for their needs.
Okay, and could you tell me why did you leave your last job?
The reason why I leave the company is because my contract was already finished.
And why you did not renew your contract with them?
Because I was trying to look better opportunity in Dubai.
Do you have any previous issues with your colleagues or manager because they were not doing their job right?
Actually, I did not encounter any situation like this with my colleagues and managers because we are working there was a family.
Okay, so could you tell me a story where you faced once with a tough customer or a customer that was difficult to handle and how were you able to resolve it?
I remember one customer complaining because the food was already cold.
And what did you do to resolve the issue?
I asked and apologized the customer and then I called my manager.
Okay, so in your opinion, what are the two important skills that a good waiter should possess?
Being honest to the customer and serving them properly.
Okay, and for you, what is the most difficult part of being a waiter?
Uh, when we encounter a customer complaint,
Okay, so I would want you to imagine the scenario. A customer asking for an item on the menu that is not available at that time. How would you convince him to select something else?
I will convince them to choose another food by suggesting it
Why do you think you should be hired?
because I'm a hardworking person. I'm a fast learner person, sir.
Okay, so I thank you so much for your time and you have a wonderful day.